Welcome to INNOVA Quilting Systems. My name is Matt, and today we're going to show you how to change the needle in your INNOVA quilting machine. First thing you're going to do is take your screwdriver, insert it into the needle clamping screw and turn it counterclockwise to loosen it. Take the old needle out and throw it away. Grab your pack of needles. We suggest the Becker titanium, and this is a 110/18. You can see the size here. Make sure that you're replacing it with the size of needle proper for your machine and your project. Take the needle out of the package. You want to insert it completely into the needle bar. And if you look at the side, you're going to see a little hole right here. When you look through that hole, the top of the needle should be touching all the way up in that bar. That hole also allows you to remove broken needles. If you broke one even with the end of the needle bar, you can take another needle, slide it to the top of that hole and press the old needle out. Much easier to get them out. You want to make sure that the thread groove on the needle, where you see my fingernail running, is facing out towards you. And on these needles, it looks like it has a little belly to it, and that belly should be facing you with the scarf pointed towards the back of the machine. Once you have it in, you want to rotate your needle clamping screw to the right or clockwise to tighten it. Make sure you tighten it firmly and that the eye of the needle is facing straight out towards you, and you have successfully replaced the needle. Remember, INNOVA, built to quilt. So these are the parts of your needle. The top area here is the shank. It goes up into the needle bar. That's what you clamp to. You have a groove running down the front of the needle. That's the thread groove that is used to allow the thread to sit back in there so it easily passes through the material with less friction. On the bottom here you have the eye. That's where you put your thread through for sewing. And I'm going to roll the needle on its side. And you're going to see that it has a little cut right here. That is called the scarf. And that's where the hook point comes in to pick up the thread. Now I'm going to roll it over to the back so you can kind of see that cut a little bit better from the back. When you put your needle in, you want to make sure that this thread groove is facing forward or towards you when you're standing at the front of the machine. The little belly that's on here should be facing towards you at the front of the machine. And the cut, or the scarf, will be facing away from you towards the back of the machine when you're standing at the front.